So, hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, finances, and spirituality reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of June 2026. Keep in mind, this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. Then it's definitely not for you. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and self love course, tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono course, two links are given below. Masterclass, okay, of Ho'oponopono, and tarot. It's a full-fledged course of 69 lectures. It's pre-recorded. Okay, so let's see, Sagittarius. Let me give this deck a really good shuffle, and then I'm going to do the reading for you guys. Let's see. सूट पटियाला शाही कटनी दी जो तिक्का दे फोटो अपनाल पाल विजिली. So we have Eight of Cups. Sagittarius, in your health, Eight of Cups here represents you guys walking away from some kind of addictions. Maybe you guys are over alcoholic or doing some things that you should not be doing, and you guys are now trying to detach for the sake of better health and heading towards a more beautiful and positive health regime or fitness regime, or heading towards something that is going to make you feel like you are on the right track or right path. For some of you, you might go on a track or like a fitness regime or retreat or something. Also, that is also a really good thing. So I do see improvement, but for that improvement to happen, you guys have to leave a lot of things behind that are not supporting your health. And I do see you at least trying, if not doing it properly, at least trying. So the guidance here is the Three of Swords. Okay, please take care of your heart health. If you're already going through some kind of health issues, especially your heart or cholesterol or BP, please don't take it lightly at all. Consult with your medical practitioner, consult with your doctor, have your medicines in your time, have a proper treatment. If you're already having these kind of issues, do not ignore the red flags. If you're having new issues or new health issues, and they are like interrupting you in some way and you're feeling unusual, please don't ignore your health. Something about your health is not fitting in right now, so please take help before it's going to become too much to handle. Okay, right now these are minor arcana cards, but this can become something really big in the future if not taken care of. You might have to undergo through some kind of surgery or something. So take care of your health before it's going to be too much to handle or too much complicated. Okay, cool. For your career, whether you are doing job or business, we have the Two of Cups. There are very good chances of you guys having a really good relationship with your career. I do see improvement. I do see you loving your job, loving your business, and you are getting the good amount of energy, good amount of rewards, and good vibes, good energies from your career side too. So us side too. So it can, for some of you, very few of you, it can be like some opposite sex person is going to be of significance this month, and they're going to help you a lot, and this is going to improve your overall career graph or your business graph. Whatever it is, you guys are going to have a really good time when it comes to your business or your job. Okay, really great time, having a good connection, satisfied, very satisfied energy. Guidance is Ace of Wands. If you guys are having this impulse or infatuation or attraction to start or restart something brand new along with your job or business thing, you can definitely go ahead with that. If you are very passionate about something, some like starting or restarting something, you can definitely go ahead and go do that. But at the same time, look out for the practical things also. Only passion is not going to give you the kind of returns or give you the kind of results that you're hoping for and waiting for. You guys have to look out for other like for the practical, stable, mature, groundedness kind of energies also in a particular situation. So before jumping all in a situation, try to figure out from everything from a practical mindset and grounded mindset also. Okay, especially if money is also involved. If you are just creating scenarios in your head and feeling happy about it, then you can think about anything. There's no risk in that, right? For those of you who are planning to start or restart their career, whether you are a fresher or otherwise, whether it's a job or business thing, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Things are going to be really very, very, very slow. It's like you guys are going to feel like you guys are dragging your feet in mud and nothing is moving forward, nothing is happening the way it should. So things are going to be really slow. Maybe things are not going to at all like move forward, but it's happening behind the scenes. Things are moving, but they are so slow that you might feel like nothing is happening. So I do see opportunity, like you guys are going to get the opportunity eventually, but not immediately. It's going to take time for this opportunity to show up in your life in a proper manner, in a proper way. Maybe for some of you the whole month is going to be like that. I don't want to scare the shit out of you, or I don't want to make you hopeless, but what I'm getting, I'm telling you. The guidance here is the wheel of fortune. The tables are going to turn in your favor slowly but surely, but from your side keep on putting in the effort and energy from your side as much as you can, because suddenly out of the blue the tables are going to turn and you are going to get the kind of job or business opportunity that you guys are looking forward to have. Just because right now things are stagnant or not working out, or just because right now things are delayed, it doesn't mean that you should not try. You should stop trying, and you should not put in the effort and energy in this direction. Keep on putting in the effort and energy in this direction from your side as much as you can, and let the universe do its job. So basically remain detached from the outcome, because whenever it is supposed to happen, when the divine timing is going to be right for you, it will happen. But if you are not going to put in the effort and energy, if you're going to stop the efforts, nothing good is going to come out of anything then, right? Let's see for your spirituality, Sagittarius. We have the Six of Cups. Okay, there is some kind of energy, a familiar kind of energy, a soul connection maybe, that you guys are going to experience, or you guys are going to connect with your inner child, like your past self, like when you used to be a child and now you are an adult. Now you guys will be able to understand a lot of things of your childhood, like about your childhood trauma. And now you guys will be able to get more and more aware of your feelings, your thoughts, your nature, your character, your behavior, and you guys will be working on that. For some of you it will be like a very good person entering in your space and helping you a lot in healing yourself, healing your own energies and childhood trauma, and something related to your past is going to be healed, or you guys are going to start healing or restart healing your past memories, past situation, past bonds, past connection. For very few of you, somebody died when you were young and you still miss that person, you still miss their energies, and that kind of healing is also possible. Like you are finally releasing that person, realizing that they were a good part of your life, but now the time has come for you to release that person and situation out of your system for good. Guidance is the King of Cups. Keep your heart energy open. Okay, keep your heart open, feel the feelings, encounter the feelings, be aware of your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, and everything. At the same time, try to remain content with whatever you have right now. Be grateful for whatever you have right now. Be grateful for all the experiences that you had till this point of your life, so that the next chapter is going to be much more peaceful, beautiful, and happy. When we move forward in our lives with awareness, with this energy of okay, whatever is happening for our highest good. We don't have to close our heart, we don't have to become a robot. Life gives us more and more reasons to be happy and to be content and to be at peace. And regarding the past, release the past with love. As much as love you can give to the past from your side, send the love and blessings to the past. You cannot change it, but all you can do is forgive and send love and blessings and keep moving forward. That's what you're learning. That's what spirituality and healing is. For your finances, before moving forward for your financial reading, Sagittarius, let me invite you to the this is the last day to register for the 7-day 7 Osho meditation online camp that we are doing from I am doing from tomorrow till 11th of June 2026. 1 hour per day, 4:30 to 5:30. We are going to do 7 Osho meditations, one meditation every day, and there is going to be a lot of healing, a lot of laughter, a lot of dancing, a lot of silence, and it's going to help you guys to start or restart your spiritual journey or healing journey, or maybe if you want to enter in Osho's world, this is a really, really, really good opportunity. The instructions are going to be in Hindi and English both, so you can join. Don't worry about the language, as long as you can understand Hindi or English or both. And the fees is 3,500 for Indians, and for others, NRIs and others, it's 125 USD for 7 days, and it's non-refundable. So read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply. I cannot provide the recordings. I'm really sorry, because I'm not allowed to do that, right? So the link is in the description box for the same. I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited. Even if one person is going to be there in the workshop, where I am good to go. I'm ready to start. More than ready to start. I waited for 2 years for this day, so tomorrow it's happening. Okay, so let's see about your finances. We have the Knight of Cups. Some kind of good news is coming for you guys in terms of your finances. Some kind of improvement is going to be there. Some kind of success is going to be there. You know, it's like improvement. Okay, it might be you were waiting for some kind of investments to give you the results, and now it's happening, or you will be able to save more, or you are going to get some kind of rewards or awards in the form of money or finances. But there is good news coming in for you guys for your finances, and it's going to make you feel very, very happy and content from inside. Bless it. Guidance is the Knight of Swords. Now the moment this kind of good news is coming in, you are going to get some kind of impulses of doing this, taking that. Hold on, calm down your horses and do the things that are important for you, meaning don't be a spendthrift. Don't be like, okay, if I'm getting this much money, I'm going to do this, do that, do this, do that, and regret it later on, right? It's your money, do whatever the hell, but it's my job to tell you guys to not to do impulsive shopping or impulsive decisions, not to make any kind of impulsive decisions or choices when it comes to your money, because you might end up regretting it later on, right? It happens with a lot of people. So you're a human, we all are humans, so we have this tendency to make mistakes. So it doesn't mean that we are bad or good or something. Just calm down your horses, relax, and let things be for the time being. Let things unfold naturally and organically. Focus on the long term goals. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you, namaste, and I'll see you on the other side, hoping to see you in the meditation workshop. Bye bye, namaste.